up guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can input hidden byte. So what is a hidden byte? I will give you an example. Just hold on a sec. You can see everything I type here, it is basically hidden. So the use of it is quite obvious, and typically we use it for entering password, and we don't want anyone to see. So let's start. We'll first move the instruction code, which is in this case 07H into AH, and then INT21H. Just that simple. And if you can recall in the previous video, for displaying byte, it is actually 01H, but in this case we'll make it 07H. To make it even more obvious, to make the result more obvious, we can put 3 bytes. So we type 3 times 3 hidden bytes. Finger crossed. Let's see if it works. 1, 2, 3. See, nothing is displayed on the prompt. It's exactly what we wanted. And take a look at AL. It is being updated as well. So right now, I give you all of you a little challenge. Why not you try to make 2 variables that store different parts of the variable? The different digits, different bytes, and display it out accordingly. I'll give you a few seconds to think how you would do it. Okay, so I think I'll start right now. The first thing we need to do, of course, we need to define 3 bytes. 3 variables, right? So we'll make it more reasonable. We should make the name more reasonable. DV question mark or 0 if you prefer. DG2 byte if you prefer question mark, question mark, question mark. Okay, which represents the 3 digits. And since it's stored in AL, we move into digit 1 from AL. The same goes to the 3 other bytes. And then we try to display it like how we did in the previous video. 0 to H to DL digit T51H. And same goes, we just changed the name of the variable. And let's see if it, oops, I think we should get the end. Never forget about this. Let's stay here. Let's double check again. I hope at this point you have done typing everything, and we'll run and see. Oops, a little bit of typo here. T21H. That's right. And let's see, folks. 1, 2, 3. And as you can see, 1, 2, 3 actually displayed. It's just that simple. So yeah, it's kind of simple at this point, but maybe in the future we can try to implement in something like password, and maybe we can validate it as well. So I guess that's all for this video. If you guys enjoyed the video, don't forget to subscribe, and don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.